Hello, YouTube family. Tim and Susie, what's next? Today we are at the Stella Nova Resort, and it's not Stella Nova, it's the Terra Luna. Terra Luna. Stella Nova is across the street. It's the other one we done about 2 months ago. So this is the whole different resort. Okay, this is going to be a room review of the Terra Luna Resort. This is after I finally figured out which resort we're staying in. And to the left is the sink with mirror, hair dryer, all the necessities, get our makeup on in the mornings. And in the other room is a tub shower with shower curtain. I'm really not a big fan of the shower curtains. I'd rather have a glass door. What do you guys think about it? Leave comments below. Overall, nice little area to get ready. A tinted glass partition between the bathroom area and the sleeping area, the living area. Have a coffee maker with the beverage cooler down below, decent sized cooler. Kept our drinks really good and cold. The Voodoo Donuts, those are at an additional cost, and you'll need to pick those up at City Walk before you come to the resort. And on the dresser area, there's a flip up power station, has electrical plug-in, USB ports, and it flips up to where when you need it, or it's down out of your way. On the TV, it has Wilson Party, which makes us feel extremely special that we're there. Two queen size beds, very comfortable. We got a really good night's sleep. I believe that's a picture of the moon over top the beds, and nice accent lighting around the beds. Overall, it's a real good theming for the room. The windows are the oval shaped, and across the street, you'll see the Stella Nova Resort. Both Stella Nova and Terra Luna are very, very pretty buildings. The stainless tiles and the colors just make them really attractive, especially when the sun's hitting them. We really enjoyed this resort and the rooms, very comfortable. Hit the subscribe, like button, leave comments below, and we just like hearing from you guys. Thank you.